こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today we're going to learn 知覚動詞. This is perception verbs. This is grammar video number 10 of JLPT N4. This is gonna be the first part of 知覚動詞 perception verbs. And sometimes, depends on the books, this is called 自発動詞. But I call them 知覚動詞. And these perception verbs we are going to study these two. 見えます I can see. 聞こえます I can hear. Many people get confused with potential verbs 可能動詞 but it's different because this 見えます聞こえます for example 見えます to be seen I can see but not I'm able to see not like this but I can see even if I don't want it. This is non-intentional verbs.In this case, I can see something or I can see someone が or something が見えます。So 見えます it's like it's visible. Even if I don't try to watch it, but something is to be seen. Something enters in my sight. 聞こえます。In the translation into English, we usually say, I can hear, but it doesn't mean I'm able to hear.It is like it's audible. Something is to be heard. So something が聞こえます。I can see the sea from here. It is like the sea is visible from here. ここから海が見えます。ここから海が見えます。In this case, a young boy is saying that.That's why we're gonna say it in casual way now. ここから海が見えるよ。ここから海が見えるよ。I can see the ship from the window of the airplane. Or this means the ship is seen from the window of the airplane. 飛行機の窓から船が見えます。飛行機の窓から船が見えます。I can't see well the front because of heavy rain. When it rains very, very much, like a heavy rain, hard rain, we say 大雨で前がよく見えません。大雨で前がよく見えません。Grandfather can't see without glasses. おじいちゃんはメガネがないと見えません。おじいちゃんはメガネがないと見えません。I can hear the birds or the bird's voice. Birds, we say 鳥。And the voice, this is 声。The voice of the birds, the bird's voice, 鳥の声が聞こえます。鳥の声が聞こえます。I can hear a singing voice. The song, we say 歌 song. And 声, this is the voice. So here, the singing voice, we say 歌声. And here, not 声, but with 点々語. かきくけこ and 点々語. 歌声 singing voice. 歌声が聞こえます。歌声が聞こえます。He can't see from he was born. 目が見えません。It means nothing comes into the sight. Nothing is visible. 目が見えません。彼は生まれた時から目が見えません。彼は生まれた時から目が見えません。 He could see when he was born, but he lost his sight because of the accident. Accident. 事故 accident. He could see before, but now he can't see anymore. How can we say this? Do you remember? なります to become. So, 見えます I can see or you can see. 見えません I can't see the negative form. And the plain form 見えない見える見えない見えなくなりました見えなくなりました Oh, he can't see anymore. 目が見えなくなりました It means he became blind. 彼は生まれた時目が見えていましたが事故で目が見えなくなりました。彼は生まれた時目が見えていましたが事故で目が見えなくなりました。In this sentence, maybe many people wondered why we don't use 可能動詞 potential verbs 見られます can see or to be able to see. Actually, it's possible you can use it. But here I used 知覚動詞 this perception verbs because it means I can see or I can't see because this is visible or not visible. This is not my volition. It is something that it is visible or it's not just visible. Do you remember 知覚動詞 This is the perception verb but non-intentional perception. It's a little bit confusing, but 可能動詞 potential verbs you always have some intention. I heard a large explosion. Here I must use also the perception verb 聞こえます because my intention was not to listen to anything. So I wasn't trying to listen to something. But this sound was audible and I didn't try. That wasn't my intention, but I heard. So 聞こえます。Explosion 爆発 explosion. The sound 音 sound 大きな爆発の音大きな爆発の音が聞こえました大きな爆発の音が聞こえました Here I used 大きな and noun instead of 大きい大きい This is E adjective but 大きな This is not E adjective anymore and I made a video about this in my video grammar video number 34 of JLPT N5 so please watch this video too. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? It is like my voice reaches to you or my voice is audible. 私の声が聞こえますか私の声が聞こえますか Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese using 知覚動詞 perception verbs 見えます or 聞こえます1番目I can hear the sound of the rain 2番目I can see the Mount Fuji from the window of this hotel 3番目最後です Last night I couldn't see the stars at all because of rain. This sentence, actually in the translation in Japanese, it's like this. Last night the stars were not visible at all because of rain. I hope you can understand well how to use these perception verbs 見えます and 聞こえます This video was just the first part, so I'm gonna continue with the second part with 見えます and 聞こえます If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like and please subscribe my channel if you didn't do it. And I hope you can share my videos with your friends. いかがでしたか？今日は知覚動詞、見えます、聞こえますを勉強しました。これらの知覚動詞は特別な意識を持たないでも自然に視界に入る、自然に目に入る、自然に見えること、または自然に耳に入ってくる、自然に聞こえること。外国人にとってはちょっと難しいかもしれませんが、でもこれはまだパート1です。これからパート2も続けますから、ぜひまた見に来てください。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。ぜひぜひぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあね。